It is a nice, hot, and sunny day, but not for Rortos Flight 345. Weird things have been going on with the plane. At first, engine 3 begins to malfunction, but then the pilot turns the engine back on. But then it happens again. For the second time, the engine malfunctions, and then the pilot turns the engine back on again. But then, after he turned the engine back on, smoke begins to come out of the engine, causing the plane to steer to the right. The pilot must put less power on engine 3, but if he doesn't, the engine will explode, causing the plane to go in a dive. All the passengers and the crew members know that something is wrong, but the pilots do not. Then, they feel that there's a little vibration from the cockpit. Then, the engine 3 explodes, and the plane goes into a dive. The captain tries to pull up, but then he loses control in the hydraulics. And then, the plane crashes into the wildlife ocean, killing dozens of people on board.